What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at another true wireless earbuds. These ones are from a company called RyuGo, or that's the name of them. So I've actually got two of these, so I'm gonna be giving one of these away, so stick around to the end of the video to find out how to get that. They're running off of Bluetooth 4.2. They have mega bass, noise reduction. They're waterproof, IPX5, so they're sweatproof. It comes with a charging case. Now the earbuds themselves, they only get about 3 to 4 hours of battery life. Obviously because they're true wireless earbuds, but because of the charge case, you're gonna be able to charge them up multiple times, which should give you around 24 hours of full charge. They're saying that it gives you a truly natural and authentic sound performance, focusing on clear mids, balanced bass, and treble performance. So they're making it sound like these are gonna be really good. We got instructions and it's all in, English and Chinese. Very nice. Okay, cool. We've got a USB to micro USB cable, about 5 or 6 inches. We got extra ear tips or low blogs. And then this, it's like a little chest, like a little treasure chest. So on the front you can see, oh, there we go, little battery indicator. So we got a full charge, which is good. All you do is open them up. Oh, ooh, those are slick looking. Look at how tiny they are. Those are small. Now the lid itself is transparent, so maybe we'll be able to see the lights. Yeah, you can barely see the light. You guys probably can't even see that. I don't know if you can or not. I won't, oh, there we go, there it is. So on the earbuds themselves, they're pretty nice looking. They're very small. These are some of the smallest ones that I've looked at. They've got the indication right and left on them. You can see the connection points for charging. It does have a little ergonomic curve. On the top, you've got a single press button. It's just a single little button and that's it. Oh yeah. Those are super tiny. Make a nice seal. Oh, I'm guessing that's it right here. The GSTWSA. So that's connected on this side. I didn't hear anything on this side though. Are they flashing? It's not flashing. So I guess you don't have to worry about your ears sparkling. So far, they're very comfortable. Now remember, it said massive bass, mega. It said mega bass. They're not very powerful. Very muffly sound. Let's try a different song. I will say, for true wireless earbuds, they do have pretty decent bass. It's not typical that you get that out of true wireless earbuds, but again, very muffly sound. Not a lot of volume in these. All right, let's try Good Mythical Morning. Let's just see how good a quality it is. That's very nice. There's no latency, so I'm not noticing any difference between audio and video, which is good. I'm gonna try the back pocket test. No skipping. That's good. All right, let me try distance real quick. That was a little different. I haven't experienced that before. So like almost exactly as I hit like about 33 feet, the audio just did a dead stop. But as soon as I turn around, it connected right away and it just kept going. So that was kind of interesting. All right, let's make a phone call. It's only ringing in the right side, so you could pretty much just discard this. Hello, hola. Okay, can you hear me okay? How does it sound? It sounds like I'm on speaker. Okay. Okay, so phone call, that wasn't bad at all. She said that I sounded pretty clear, even though I sounded like I was on a speakerphone, so that's good. Volume does not get as loud as I'd like it to get. Even if I have to sacrifice some time with, with the battery, I would prefer to have a little more control over the volume. When it came to the music and stuff, it just sounded a bit too quiet for me. Overall though, the sound was actually pretty good. Now it said mega bass. I am definitely not gonna agree with mega bass. It had some bass. Bass boosted sounded like it was pretty decent. Listening to regular music, but because, it sounded okay, but because it was so quiet, it's kind of hard to tell. Bass, I'm gonna give maybe like a 4, really. I mean, it was less than what I expected because they said mega bass. Highs and mids, I'm gonna give them a 5. They sounded like I would expect them to sound, but they did sound good. Rhett and Link sounded really clear. The phone call sounded really clear, so that was really good. Yeah, I think these are pretty good. They get good distance, they have a good connection, there's no latency between audio and video. I was able to do the back pocket test. That's one of the problems that it looks like a lot of companies are starting to tackle and actually get right now. True wireless earbuds seem to be connecting and staying more stable, better now than they ever were before. But not that one, it's empty. All right, so I'm actually gonna be giving one of these away. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. It clearly says contest link. Click on that, follow the instructions. Minimum requirement is subscribe to the channel. Other options will give you more entries into the contest. It is an international contest. Anybody can enter, anybody can be picked. All right, guys, so that is it. Definitely go check out the link down below, but I leave it in your hands. But as for now, get out of here.